So this morning I've come in and this little guy has got really big. He's a Muscovy duckling. He's the only one that hatched so far. Oh, don't fall off. And he's getting really big and really friendly. So you're very cute, aren't you? Yeah. As you can probably hear, I am surrounded by chickens of all kinds, but I came in this morning to, you know, as you do, sort everything out, and then suddenly this giant cockerel just appeared in one day. I'll show you. You, my friend, were not here yesterday, and you make a very interesting noise. Just as I was talking about the new massive cockerel, he has escaped. Come on, no, don't go that way. Come on. Film this process. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Good job, guys, you succeeded at Lamb National. Much better. Yeah, now she's alright.
Is there a grand parade going out this afternoon?
That is correct, there is a grand parade going out this afternoon. It's going out at 2:30.
One of the highlights about working on a farm is putting the amount of, what, there it goes, amount of poo that you have to scoop up. It's great. So yeah, if we watch him really closely, in a minute he might pop his head out because he's a caddisfly larvae, and he sticks all of those things to his body to make a nice little home. Is he gonna pop his head out? No, he's too scared. So it's now about 4:30, time to shut down, and I'm going to go and see my favourite little duckling, and here he is. Hello. So you were so absolutely desperate, weren't you, that you tried to escape? You tried to jump out as I was opening the door and you almost fell out, and it was very scary, but everything's okay now because you're that cute. Hello. You were absolutely desperate for a little cuddle, weren't you? You can be friends with ducks. It's definitely not weird. Isn't it? It's perfectly normal. Come on, Sparky. Come on.
Sparky, don't do it.
Sparky wants to be in the video. Oh, I can't hold him with the camera like this. This is really hard. Sparky. Okay. Come on, go for it. Show your skills. Or don't. Just go in there if you have to. Yeah, that's it. Just jump into your water ball. This is ultimate ferreting right now. Look at this. Oh, he stopped. Bye, Sparky.